or something. And,
yes.
Yeah. So get hella clips and send them to me. I'll make them.
Picking up right now. Raviolis
Yummy.
and garlic bread. Wesley fucking charred my garlic bread in the fire. Nah, I think you got it.
Shake that ass, Peaches. Did you see that? What time is Jacob going on?
What car did she drive? A Boston, right?
Fine.
I can make it up there. Anyone can.
Steaks and potatoes.
I called her.
We're eating that shit up. If you want food, you have to pay for it.
I always knew you were a lesbian.
Whoa! It's New Year's, bitch. Oh! Fuck bitches, get my